Formula One is innovative. We're leaders, solution providers, a company dedicated to serving our customers and work providers with superior quality and service that has become the paramount of our business. Formula One Automotive is located in Windsor, Ontario, Canada, in the heart of the nation's automotive industry. With over 30,000 square feet of space, Formula One is one of the largest automotive body repair facilities in Ontario. We operate a full-line auto body shop serving Windsor, Tecumseh, Essex County, and Southeast Michigan. At Formula One, we employ highly skilled technicians that are provided with rigorous manufacturer and internationally recognized training and certification programs. Formula One's primary services include structural repairs and welding, aluminum and steel work, manufacturer-recommended painting products and procedures, and all collision-related mechanical, air conditioning, and safety repairs. Technicians are also experts in replacing airbags and realigning suspension systems for some of the finest cars in the world. By continuing to converge and adapt to industry changes in technology and procedure, we've expanded our operations by investing in a new facility, state-of-the-art equipment, and rigorous training for our technicians.
I think Formula One stands out as the best in our area because their customer service, number one, they will go the extra mile. If a customer is not happy, they'll do something that actually may not have been in the original agreement, just to make the customer happy.
At Formula One, customer service is our first and foremost priority, which is why we've introduced the F1 First program. Designed with the customer in mind, the F1 First program is an interactive web interface that allows our customers to view the status of repairs online via f1collision.com. Customers enter a username and password to log into their profile. From there, they can see the steps involved in the repair process and know precisely where we're at with repairs. A detailed description and photo is updated daily for our customers.
Here at Mercedes-Benz, we want excellence. We take it to Formula One. They are a state-of-the-art facility. If there's something new that comes out, they have it. They don't care about the expense. They just know if this is new, this is the best way, it's the most cost-effective way of repairing a vehicle, they will get that technology. Whether it be a part, whether it be training, whether it be just a way of doing things, they strive for the best.
Formula One is equipped with a USA Italia paint booth and prep station, one of only 5 in all of North America. As one of the only booths approved by Mercedes-Benz, this state-of-the-art system ensures the best refinish quality on the market. By utilizing the Chief Frame system powered by Velocity software and by laser-guided targets, we're able to measure and pull the frame of a vehicle back to within a millimeter of what it was before the accident. Under the leadership of their father, Willie Gobato, Frank and his brother Marco were introduced to the techniques of auto body repairs at a very young age. In 1963, the Gobato family opened Continental Collision. Throughout the years, together, they mastered the art of transforming damaged vehicles back to pre-accident condition, or even better. Today, Formula One operates out of our new state-of-the-art, 30,000 square feet, clean and elegant production facility. We're committed to serving you and our work providers with the best possible service and quality that you deserve. It's no accident why we're the best.